So today we're going to take a look at how you can change your user icon on your Mac. It's very simple to do. All you have to do is go down to System Preferences, open that up, and as you see here we have our icon just on the top row in the top left hand corner. All we're going to do is click Edit. Now you're presented with this window and you can use several different types of icons. So first of all we've got Memojis, that's basically what my little alien dude is here. We can also have our own Memoji. If we click that, and we can also change the style of it if you haven't set up one before. Just click Edit and there's all like the facial features and icons and all that in there. But yeah, we can pick our different like Memoji. So I'm going to go back to my alien dude. You can click the different pose. So you can see here we have the different poses. And once we've selected our pose, we can also select colour to go behind it. You can have just default grey. You can have like a purple, and you can even zoom in if you like. You can have it like that. You can also use emojis to be our icons. All you have to do is select the icon like this. You just got to style and change that. You can also have the monogram with your initials. You can use use the webcam to take a photo of yourself, photos, or if you go down to suggestions, we get more of the default icons that used to be in older macOS operating systems as the user icons. Very simple, and all you do when you've selected what you want is just click save. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.